6 Best Trailer Brake Controller. Are you tired of rough stops and poor trailer braking while towing? Today, we're reviewing the 6 best trailer brake controller options to see which offers the best proportional braking, towing safety, brake response, and value. One of these controllers could completely change your towing experience. After watching, be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices of the 6 best trailer brake controllers. Let's get started. Number 1. CURT Venturer Next Brake Controller. If you're searching for the best trailer brake controller on a budget, the CURT Venturer Next deserves a look. This time delay controller uses a simple design that works with 1 to 3 trailer axles. The compact housing fits under most dashboards without taking up much space. I tested similar time delay controllers on utility trailers and small campers. They provide steady braking once adjusted correctly. This model lets you fine-tune power output and sensitivity so you can match different trailer weights. The plug-and-play setup also helps reduce installation time. The biggest advantage is simplicity. New trailer owners can learn the controls fast. The low-profile design keeps the cabin clean and uncluttered. It also performs well during normal highway driving and weekend towing trips. The limitation is its time delay braking system. Braking response isn't as smooth as a proportional controller during sudden stops. Drivers towing heavy RVs may notice that difference. Verdict. This controller is great for budget-minded drivers, small campers, and utility trailers. Skip it if you tow heavy loads often. Its biggest strength is simple, dependable braking at an affordable price.
Number 2. REDARC Tow Pro Liberty. The REDARC Tow Pro Liberty is a strong contender for the best trailer brake controller if you want smoother braking. It uses proportional braking technology, which matches trailer braking force to your vehicle's braking effort. The result feels much more natural on the road. During real towing situations, proportional systems reduce trailer push and improve control. This controller shines when towing campers, boats, and travel trailers. The compact main unit hides behind the dash, while the small control knob keeps the interior looking factory installed. I also like how it handles changing road conditions. Whether you're driving through city traffic or heading down long highway grades, braking stays predictable. The system works with 1 or 2 axles and fits many trucks, SUVs, and tow vehicles. The higher price may discourage some buyers. Installation can also take more planning than basic time delay models. Verdict. Buy this if you tow often and want smoother, safer braking. Skip it if you need the lowest cost option. Its biggest strength is natural proportional braking that improves towing confidence.
Number 3. Kohree Upgraded Brake Controller. The Kohree Upgraded Trailer Brake Controller brings features often found on more expensive models. It uses proportional braking and supports trailers with 1 to 4 axles. The split design layout gives you more flexibility during installation, especially if dashboard space is limited. The LCD screen is one of its standout features. It displays braking information clearly, making adjustments quick and easy. During towing, the smart chip monitors braking input and applies trailer brakes smoothly. This helps reduce jerking and improves control when traffic suddenly slows. I found the interface easier to understand than many older controllers. The display helps drivers see settings without guessing. It's a useful feature for people who tow different trailers throughout the year. The controller also works well for campers, equipment trailers, and larger utility trailers. The screen and extra features add some complexity. Drivers wanting a very basic controller may prefer a simpler design. Verdict. This controller suits drivers who want modern features and clear brake monitoring. Skip it if you prefer simple controls only. Its biggest strength is the LCD display paired with smooth proportional braking.
Number 4. CURT Echo Mobile Brake Controller. The CURT Echo Mobile takes a different approach from most options in the best trailer brake controller category. Instead of mounting a traditional controller under the dash, it connects through Bluetooth and works with a smartphone app. Installation is one of its biggest advantages. The controller plugs into the trailer connector, reducing wiring inside the vehicle. This makes it attractive for drivers who switch to vehicles often. During testing, app-based adjustments made brake tuning fast and convenient. The proportional braking system delivers smooth stopping performance. It responds to vehicle movement and applies trailer brakes with good accuracy. RV owners, boat owners, and occasional travelers may appreciate the quick setup. It also works well for leased vehicles where permanent installation isn't ideal. The smartphone connection can be a drawback for some users. If you prefer physical controls, the app-based design may not feel as convenient. Verdict.
Buy this if you want fast installation and multiple vehicle compatibility. Skip it if you dislike smartphone-controlled equipment. Its biggest strength is wireless convenience with smooth proportional braking.
Number 5. REDARC Tow Pro Elite. The REDARC Tow Pro Elite is built for serious towing. Many experienced RV owners consider it among the best trailer brake controller options available. It supports 1 to 3 axles and works with both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, giving it excellent versatility. What separates this controller from many competitors is its dual braking modes. You get proportional braking for everyday towing and a user-controlled mode for special situations. This extra control helps during off-road travel, on gravel roads, and in challenging terrain where standard braking may not be ideal. The hidden main unit creates a clean factory-style installation. Only the small control knob remains visible inside the cabin. During long towing trips, braking feels smooth and predictable. The controller responds quickly and helps reduce trailer sway caused by uneven braking forces. The advanced features come with a higher price tag. Installation can also take longer than plug-in entry-level controllers. Verdict: this controller is ideal for RV owners, frequent travelers, and off-road adventurers. Skip it if you tow only a few times yearly. Its biggest strength is premium braking control in nearly any towing situation.
Number 6. Timilge Proportional Brake Controller. The Timilge Proportional Trailer Brake Controller offers a solid mix of features and value. It supports 1 to 4 axle trailers and includes an LED display that helps drivers monitor settings while towing. The proportional braking system delivers smoother stops than traditional time delay models. I like the addition of boost mode, which provides stronger initial braking when towing heavier loads. This feature can improve confidence when hauling larger campers or equipment trailers. The LED screen makes adjustments straightforward. Drivers can quickly view brake settings and make changes when trailer weight varies. The controller also uses a simple plug-in design that helps reduce installation difficulty for many users. Its build quality may not feel as refined as premium controllers. Drivers who tow very heavy trailers year-round may prefer a higher-end model with more advanced tuning options. Verdict: buy this if you want proportional braking without spending premium money. Skip it if you need top-tier towing features. Its biggest strength is strong value with useful braking adjustments. Which best trailer brake controller should you buy? If you want the best overall trailer brake controller, the REDARC Tow Pro Elite stands out. It offers excellent braking control, dual modes, and strong performance in almost any towing situation. For the best budget choice, the CURT Venturer Next delivers dependable braking at a lower price. It's a good fit for light-duty towing and occasional trailer use. The best premium choice is also the REDARC Tow Pro Elite because of its advanced features and versatile design. If easy installation matters most, the CURT Echo Mobile is hard to beat. For buyers who want modern features at a reasonable price, the Kohree upgraded controller and Timilge controller both offer excellent value with proportional braking and easy adjustments.